Good afternoon, guys. My name is Arif Jamil Ansari. So today uh, I will be teaching about MQ Explorer, okay, of IBM Apple Enterprise. So let me open the MQ Explorer. So I will also tell you the how to install IBM MQ Explorer and IBM MQ Server. Okay, basically this is called the client and the main IBM MQ server is the main one. Okay, so we connect through MQ Explorer to the IBM MQ. So where is IBM MQ server? I will show you. So go to the file. So go to the installation folder. Okay. So here I can see. You can see where is okay. So go to the C drive. Okay, and go to the program files. And in program file you can see the IP. Okay, you can see ACE and MQ. These are the root folders where IBM MQ and the IBM App Connect is installed. Okay, so you can choose any of the bin 1, bin 64. So I'm going to choose bin 164 and open as a administrator. So since this is my personal laptop, so I am the root administrator. So there is no control. Okay, there is no control like organization where they give access to particular operation. Okay, so let me open that. Open in terminal. So if you write dspmq, so see it is showing how many AQ managers are there. So this is called a MQ server. Okay, now and it will show all the status. So if I want to enter inside QM1, for example, I want to check how many queues are there and how many queues are not there. So this is a client. MQ Explorer is called a client. So MQ1, QM1 is stopped, QM2 is stopped, QM3. So I am going to check QM3, right? How many queues are there? I will show. I will show you all these three queue in the command line environment. Okay. So for example, how can I enter inside the QM3? See, this is the command. Mm, so you have to write run MQSC the queue manager in QM3. So inside 3, I am going to enter. Okay. So here I will write. Now I am inside QM3. I am going to write display. Okay. So display local queue. I will write display local queue. Display local queue. Queue local. Okay. Queue local. Queue local. And in the bracket star. Star means all the queues. Okay. If you can define it specifically, you can write that queue. So you can see how many queues are there. It will show. See backout key is there, queue get, queue in, queue out. Okay. And these are also showing system queues. Okay. System queues are built-in queues. You can say like that. For example, if I show system objects, so these are the built-in queues which is provided by the IBM people, IBM MQ guys. Okay, now. So this is one way of so so there is one another profession related to this MQ Explorer, which is called MQ admin. So they take care of the so they will mostly work on Linux machine installed uh, inside the Linux machine. They will install the MQ server. So this one. Okay. So I am running in Windows, but the same command is also used in Linux. Okay. So they will manage all the queue managers queues and they will delete the messages piled up in the queues. Okay. Or the queue is full. So they will investigate there. They will troubleshoot the queue related issue there. Okay. So this is one of the questions they may ask, some simple command like run MQSC, QM3, dspmq, how to check the status of queue, how to define a queue. For example, if I want to define a queue, so since I'm not a IBM admin, I am not a MQ admin. So, but still I know some of the command. So define. So my method is I will check. I will use from the what we say help. So this is the help part. Okay, because I don't know exactly the command, but I know how to do that. Define queue local. So I am inside QM3, and I will in the bracket I will give the name, any name which is not same. So Q in one, Q out. So I am going to give uh, Q in one. So Q in one. Okay. So define Q local IBM Q MQ created. Okay. So you can pass so many options also. Okay. I don't know the options. If you write help, define. If you write help like this, so okay. After that also, if you want help, so you can see all the options would be there. You can use any of the options based on your requirement. Okay, so if I want this as a backup, so I will choose backup. Where is backup? Sorry, process. So there is some BOQ, something like that, backup queue. Let me check. See, BOQ name. Okay, so you can pass this thing and as an option to customize your queue. Okay, so let's see queue in one is created or not. So here you can see Q1 is created and started out also, right? So this is uh, a part of training, okay, which I will be providing you. In the last video, I have shown you pass from the how to pass message from this queue manager to this queue manager. Okay, so in this IBM MQ, why IBM MQ is used to send message from one application to another application. Okay, so it provides integration between the application which are deployed in the same server. So in the upcoming classes, upcoming videos, I will be telling about that, how it works. Okay. So currently, yeah, in the next video, I will tell you more about IBM MQ. Yeah, thank you.